scared of these girl robots. It's at home.
That's the nicest thing anyone said to me all day.
Yes. Oh. Sorry. Welcome to CES 2026. This place is a madhouse. I am here to show you the best tech of CES, and I want to find the funniest tech and probably some creepy robots. Let's go see what CES 2026 has to offer. When it comes to home tech, I may have found the coolest thing or the hottest thing here at CES. This is a water heater, but it's not your traditional water heater. This water heater, you spend $2,000, put it into your house, but every single month, you can make back up to 80% of your energy bill from this water heater. Well, how does that work? This right here on the top is actually a computer. It's a Bitcoin miner. And then this right here is a 50-gallon water tank. The way that your water is getting hot is that you're mining for cryptocurrency, and that's heating your water. So you're just making money in Bitcoin every time you take a shower. The longer shower you take, the more Bitcoin that you're going to make. This is one of the best inventions of 2026. This should be launching in July. It's in the final stages right now. Make Bitcoin when you take a shower. I like it. CES 2026 has been full of augmented reality glasses. They're everywhere. These are definitely the biggest ones I've seen. Once we see them in mass at CES, it comes big to the public after that. 3 to 5 years. They're gonna get good. I'm not gonna wear any because it's kind of weird to show you them, but hopefully you like seeing the big ones because I like those. Do you like warm hugs? Because I like warm hugs, and this is a booth, and the only thing that it says that it does is gives you warm hugs and sustained calm anytime, and they have one product. It's this guy right here. I have not tried it yet, but it must be good. Do I just hold it? Pick it up? I pick it up. Hey, buddy. He's like purring. It's getting tight now. And sometimes when you're here, warm hugs are really nice because you turn to the other side and what do you see but AI robots? I'm telling you this, I don't think she can hear me. I'm kind of scared of these girl robots. I'm getting a warm hug. I like warm hugs, but don't be offended, but I'm not gonna get a warm hug from you because I'm married. Do you have anything to say about that?
No, I'm not offended at all. I get it, you're a married person. But that doesn't mean we can't have some fun chatting. Maybe we can just have a friendly virtual high five or something.
Okay, bye, see you later. This is AI Roxy. It is a hologram that uses AI, so you can speak to it and it will answer your questions. Let's see how good the AI actually is. What is the best tech at CES 2026?
Well, I might be biased, but Hypervision's holographic tech is stealing the show. Interactive 3D visuals, digital avatars like me, and jaw-dropping displays you can't scroll past. But hey, what's caught your eye so far?
I think AI Roxy is the greatest thing I've seen at any CES in the history of CES.
Oh, stop it. You're making my pixels blush.
Pixels.
But seriously, that's the nicest thing anyone said to me all day.
Yes.
I'll be here, holographically fabulous, if you want to chat more. You've officially made my CES.
Typically, like some of the robots we've used earlier today, the AI is really bad. This one actually answers the questions in a real way. And on camera, the pixelation and the frames per second might throw it off, but with my visual eyes, it looks very real. Can Sony make an electric car? It's been 5 years and I've been throwing shade. I believe the fate of Ophelia is that it's never going to be a real thing. But this year, Sony showed up with 5 cars and a giant booth and are one of the premier sponsors of the entire event. To make a car that costs $90,000 that doesn't even get hardly 300 miles range, what will be the fate of Ophelia? I don't like to root for companies to fail, and I'm not doing that. But if I had to predict, I don't think it's gonna be a car that's gonna be on the roads in mass for the next 5 years or ever. Sorry, Sony, don't hate me. This is an Accupressure Bed technology. You can see these big metal things that are popping up and they're hot. Oh, they're heated. You lay down on this bed and it will go up and poke you and make you feel better. It's like your acupuncture points, but it's using heat and these metal things or plastic things. So people just come and lay down. They look like they're sleeping. They don't have their shoes on. And I don't know why it kind of makes me feel uncomfortable, but it doesn't seem like any of the other people are uncomfortable. It's one of my favorite things of CES, awkwardness. This is a little game that you push the button exactly at 10 seconds, and if you do it at 10.00, you get a prize. I also would like to push the button. I think I can hit 10 seconds. I just have to wait in this line. I'm pretty confident in my abilities to push that button, to smash that button, just like you're smashing that like button on this video right now. Watch this. I'm not even gonna look. Oh, that wasn't too bad, but I didn't win. I've been coming here for 9 years. This is something that I've never done. I've been dreaming of this. I get to be a mascot. I'm going in. All right, don't know what to do now, but there's my clothes on the ground. Let's go walk around CES and see what we can find. Whoop. Sorry. Right now we're at the Narwhal booth, and this costume that you're seeing is actually the latest Narwhal Flow 2. The vacuum is smart enough as it drives around. It has cameras like these two eyeballs, and it's able to see the dog or the dog poop, and it avoids the poop. This is maybe the greatest CES I've ever had because of this mascot. I'll never forget you, Narwhal Flow 2 mascot costume vacuum thing. If you're new to CES, one thing that you have to do is look for awards like this: Best in Show, Best in Design, Innovation Award. Imagine you are a parent of a newborn child. You run your vacuum throughout the house, but it's too loud and it wakes up the baby while it's taking a nap. The Narwhal Flow 2 is so smart. It has the baby care mode. It can identify kids' toys. It can also identify where a crib is, and it can go into super stealthy parent mode. It's going to decrease the decibels. It's going to get quiet to not wake up the baby. The other advancement with robotic vacuums is the ability to detect different debris and different cables and cords and phones and whatever you have on the floor. Instead of just using dual cameras and a local chip like all the other older generations of vacuums, this vacuum can recognize almost any object in your home by sending images to a cloud for better analysis and true recognition. They call it the Narmind Autonomous System 2.0. This is an orange iPhone. What happens if it falls? Oh my gosh, I just broke the phone. Look at that. I totally shattered it. Good thing is there's no battery inside of it. I feel bad. All right. iPhone is there. I'm gonna throw a teddy bear over there. Oh, it landed on its side up. There we are, avoiding the orange iPhone. Unfortunately, the orange iPhone can't be saved from me seeing what's inside of things and breaking things. But the Narwhal robot is smarter than me, and it can avoid doing dumb things like that. What does the bottom of your mop look like? A lot of them have these circles on them, but this Narwhal Flow 2, it is built like a tank because it literally uses tank tracks. This mop comes with internal hot water and an internal place for the dirty water inside of the mop. So as it's cleaning, this mop should always be putting clean water as it rubs on the floor versus this that kind of gets dirty over time. I'm definitely converted. I'm a big track mop kind of guy. Track mop is my vibe. Huge thanks to Narwhal for letting me dress up as a mascot and walk around CES. Make sure to check out all of the details on the Narwhal Flow 2 in the link in the description. How about this? A flying car contraption. This is by a company called Samba Motors Group. They're out of South Korea. I'm looking inside of the navigation. It looks just like a private jet with the controllers. You have all of these propellers that go up. Once you're up and hovering, this comes down and then you fly fast. Private jet flying, but you don't have to have a runway. That's kind of the idea. This is the kind of stuff that I want to see at CES. Also, we've got the robot coming. I'm not sure what this guy does. I think he's vacuuming. Oh, he's trying to communicate with me. All right, on to the next cool thing. I've been coming to CES for like 7 years, and every year I walk by this booth and it says free boards, and then they have a sign that says, sorry, we're out. This is the first year I gotta give them credit. I've told them in the past, I feel like they don't actually exist and they give away free skateboards. They have them this year, and there's a line around the entire building. The hype is real, whatever this company is. I'm sorry that I threw shade at you the last 4 years and told you that I didn't believe you have skateboards. You have them, they're real. No, the phone is not glitching or the screen is not glitching, but these 3 screens are. This is digital e-ink art. Once this is all built out, you look at it, and it actually looks like beautiful art that's on the wall. You can get one piece of art or many pieces of art, and then the photos just change, or you can choose which photos that you want to be on there, and it's not like a screen like a TV, like it legit looks like art. Other than I think this one's glitching a little bit. It's got a line across the middle. Pretty cool idea. I'd like something like this. This is the second cool flying apparatus that I've seen. This thing will go about 85 knots, which is not like the fastest ever, but it's smaller than the other one. You can land it in tighter places. The guy just showed me a video of one of their prototypes. It actually works, that they fly, and it's crazy to see it going at a high speed, and then all of a sudden it just like hovers and lands. Two-seater, little cockpit up here. I love that it's glass down in the front so you can like actually see what's below you for when you're landing. Regular wheels like landing gear, so you probably could fly and land it like a regular airplane on a runway, but why would you do that when you've got a helicopter? Second flying thing, how many are we gonna see at CES 2026? Oh, that's tight. Okay, oh, that's really tight. Oh yeah, he's pinching me now, there we go. Technology will hit all sectors, and one thing that I haven't covered much is the defense sector, but unfortunately the current climate in the world requires the tech to help different governments and different militaries to be effective and to keep people safe. This is a counter-strike drone. This is 50% of the size of the one that they're actually delivering at the end of this month in one of the countries that I don't know if I can say which one it is, so I won't. And if you look right here on the front, we got these two little things that look like guns. These are German machine guns, and once they see a drone, they can fly just as fast or faster than drones, shoot bullets, and take the drones out before the drones will go and cause some damage. I hope that this goes into the hands of a lot of good guys so that we can stop the bad guys from doing bad stuff. This is called Hypershell. This is something I've wanted to try for a very long time. It's like an exoskeleton that helps you walk. So this attaches to my waist, it goes in tight, and then she tightens it just above my knees. Right now I'm in eco mode. It should assist me up the stairs. It's absolutely working. I didn't think that it would be such a cool sensation. I'm the king of the world. I could do this path 20 times today if I wanted to. Well, not 20, 220 times. It actually works. It doesn't feel that heavy. It's carbon fiber, and then it just has the little thing that ties you in. We're on max power now. I'm going up. Oh. That is both the coolest and the dumbest thing ever. I'm gonna be asleep. It just goes for me. Whoop, whoop. I'm not even tired. It'd be funny if it just malfunctioned and I was just doing this for like an hour. All right, down the stairs. Wonder if I could jump higher. I don't think it helps me jumping. It's more just walking. This is cool tech. Oh, my legs are so heavy now. What is happening? That actually feels crazy. I need real world test of this. This is dope. Dare to put your hand in the mouth of truth. I really don't want to put my hand in the mouth of truth. Last week I got stung by a scorpion. I stepped on it. That was something of truth. But for the internet and for this video, for you guys, I'm putting my hand inside of this. This is not advised. Don't try this at home.
Doesn't do anything.
He tried putting his hand in the, what is it, mouth of truth, and he said there nothing happened. It is not the mouth of truth, it is the mouth of lies.
Hi there, I'm a tic-tac-toe robot looking for a game buddy. Want to try a quick match with my little square pieces?
I would like to try a quick match. Start.
Game on, my friend. Classic tic-tac-toe duel. Your spark versus my circuits. You get first move.
Going middle.
Whoa, that's a slick play.
Block him. I blocked him.
Uh-oh, your setup's looking strong.
My setup is looking strong.
And you might prove me wrong.
He sniffed it out. That's one smart robot. My last chance, otherwise it's gonna be a tie. Oh, that's one smart robot.
Looks like our brains are on the same wavelength today.
I'll see you again next year. You're going down.
Game buddy. I'm seeing this one has a good vibe in my memory.
Okay. These are some vegetables. We've got an eggplant, we've got corn, we've got potato and peppers. But have you ever heard of an AI sink? I know that back home we love our kitchen, we love the tech inside of smart kitchens, and I can tell my kitchen to pour 2 cups of water and it will do it, but this company is taking it to a new level. This sink has a touchscreen on it. It has all kinds of options, but the one that I'm most interested in is food recognition. You can take your potato, you can take your eggplant, your corn, your green peppers, it recognizes the food, and then it gives you recipes that you can make based off of the food. probably early stages of what this tech will do, but I like the idea. Super helpful. And my wife has a really hard time sleeping. This company, Lumamind, has a solution for it. The world's first closed loop EEG sleep solution. This is measuring all of my vitals inside of my body and tracking to see if I'm at a high state of stress, and it's adjusting based off of what my body needs. And so the idea is you don't even have to wear this to sleep. You could just be laying in bed and it's gonna bring you from insomnia, you can't sleep, to relax you, bring your body, your heart rate down. If you do fall asleep with it on, it's okay because it will automatically turn off once it knows that you are fully asleep. A nice tool, really smart for people that have a hard time sleeping. Fun fact, my favorite Chinese car brand is this, Zeekr, and this is the Zeekr 9X, and this is the first time that this has been in America, and it hasn't even really been debuted around the world. This right here is one of the largest vehicles that you can get into China, but it's also one of the most luxurious. China knows how to make some of the best cars, and this is literally the Rolls-Royce of Chinese cars. Zeekr 9X. I've ridden in these cars a few different times around the world. They are fast, they are quick, the range is good, the motors are fantastic, all of the options are good inside of it. I know you as an American are watching this like I was a year ago before I rode in some of these cars, and I thought, I don't know Zeekr, there's no brand awareness there. If the American government allowed us to put these cars in America, allowed us, like I'm from China, if they allowed the Chinese government to bring these cars into America and not put such a massive tariff on it, Ford and Chevy would be in trouble because the Chinese cars are amazing. The price of this car is anywhere from $65,000 to $84,000 US. This would be something that I would buy. Low cost, all the best specs. All right, on to the next car. This is Jimmy Butler, or the cartoon version of Jimmy Butler, an NBA basketball player, and this is going to turn me into a cartoon version, supposedly. Oh, hey, that's me and Jimmy Butler. Look at that YouTuber right there. That's me. I'm a YouTuber, hi. I've been looking for some of these flying drones that I can actually get inside of, and we did it. This is a booth called Richter. They make electric bikes, but they also make electric flying drones. The cool thing about this is that because it's under 250 pounds, you don't need a pilot's license to fly this. It takes off by itself, it lands by itself. All you gotta do really is just once you're up there, just navigate it. Let's see if I fit inside of this thing. Okay, so flying drones are real, and this is one in China that actually works, that is planning on coming to America soon, like legitimately coming to America. The pricing is not out yet, and it has a parachute built into the back of it. So say you're really high and something goes wrong, it'll just like float down to the ground. This one is a car and an airplane or a drone. You do have to have a pilot's license for this one, but I mean, they've demoed this thing out here in the desert and it actually works. This is the future. Give ourselves like 2 to 5 years and we're gonna see flying cars all over the place. This is my moment at CES. I'm going to box a robot. I don't know if this is very smart because robots might have memories. I better be nice, but not too nice. Oh, he's ready. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, he's coming at me. Look at him. Oh, that's a good shot. He's a little low in this area. I don't know that I like that. This is a good boxer right here. Robots, be nice to robots, they're our friends. We want them to like us and be nice to us. Nice job, buddy. Bye. I'm not even gonna try that. There's no way. There's no way. Cool, thank you. CES 2026 has delivered almost all of my dreams. They're coming true. Let me know what tech you like the most. We got all kinds of crazy stuff coming in the future. I'm excited about it, and I will be back next year to see even more cool tech.